So we did just finish the other tutorial that led us to this point on creating this wall unit that is on the wall, and I just want to show you how what we've done so far looks like in Twinmotion, so that you can maybe appreciate whatever it is that we're doing, because we might be just doing and you're wondering what are we doing. So just want to show you this part, then we'll continue with more parts. So if I take you to Twinmotion with the direct link, I just want to show you like how it looks so far and what my plan is, like why maybe I'm creating a lot of textures, or what am I planning to do with them. Of course, we're not going to do like it's a new project, we're not going to do a lot of things on it in terms of rendering. I just want to show you like so far what we've been doing looks like this, so that it excites you a little bit, or a little bit. So like so far we can come here and materials, then I go to wall coverings. I want the shiny painted one. I can drop one here and drop another one on this white stuff. Then we click on, so this one is the one that we've just dropped on the white stuff. Can we make them maybe black for now? Yeah, then we can have it that way. And now I can again drop a white text on this, so it's not that white, so I'm clicking on it and dragging all the way up to 55 to 55 to 55. So yeah, you can do the same on this, all the way up to 55 to 55. Then you can do on this. So here's what I was telling you about. If I want, I can be able to play around with them to try to see maybe what results will I get with different textures. Then on this one again, but this one you want it to be dark. Okay, yeah, so far that's what we have. Then we can go to neons. I'm going to materials and neons, and I get like this and do that. Then I go to this and do that. Then can come here and do that again. So far you can see what we have. And now I can go to materials again, and I'm going to all coverings again. I can drop one here, then I can select this material picker. I click on this and I increase the reflection. Then maybe I can do my wall to be white as well. So like for now, like I've said, the essence is not to teach you maybe rendering stuff. I just want to show you like what we've done so far. So like on this, maybe you want to play around with different colors with them. You can try out whatever color you want, or if you have a specific coding, you can enter the code here and you'll try to get different results. Sometimes you can save the color that you got last time, maybe you used it somewhere, so that you can play around with it. Just do what you want, play around with everything that you think will work for you at this point. Yeah, just play around with it and try to see how it looks like. So which color can I go with? I'm confused, I don't know. Let's do maybe, but that one doesn't go that cool with this. Maybe this one can do this, and you can see this one on the top. I think it will look more nicer if we draw this one to go beyond this edge, like, yeah, then it will look more better. Now I can come here at the top and I could go to lights, and I have the neon light. I click on it and I can drag it to, so this way I'm moving it vertically, this way I'm moving it horizontally. So I move it horizontally to somewhere where I think is the corner, and I leave it there. So I have it. Length, you can measure the length using if you go to tools, you can, there is a thing for length. Anyways, for now let me just do 2.8, and we are going to reduce the intensity of this light to 5, and we're going to try to adjust it to a good position. So let's do 2.5, the length. We want it to be there. Then I can now try to adjust the what is this, the color of the light to whatever you want. You can try with this, or if you don't want this, you just click on more, and you can choose your own specific color. Like I can go with that. You can just choose any color that you want. So I want it to be there. Then we can go to objects, and we go to home, living room, then we want electronics, living room, then electronics. You want a TV, like this TV. So yeah, so of course you can adjust the colors to suit the theme that you want, or whatever you have. I'm just doing a quick thing so that you can see what we have. Even this light, if you don't like the color, you can either click it from this, or you can come to this and you will find it here again. So maybe I don't like that color, I can adjust it more. You see, you can play around with it more to find something that suits you, to find whatever light that will suit you for the same. I think let me go with that. Yeah. Then what else? If you want, you can put some motion pictures on this TV. So if I click on the TV, then I can click on this material, single, multi, whatever. Then I can create a new texture. So this is my new texture. If I click on the texture, then at the color I click on more, then here I click on this and open. I can go to where I have the music on my PC. Then if you know the name of the music, that is MP4. Like for me, I want this, then I click open. So now I can just drag that texture from here and place it on the TV. You can place it anywhere you want if it's the TV. So if I place it on the TV, you can be able to see it. Now the TV is working. So this is better if you're rendering maybe a video or something. Yeah. So far that is what we have. Maybe for now, let me just take one shot that I will be able to use as a thumbnail for this video. So you take the camera you want and you click plus. But of course we are still working on more. Like this side we have not worked on anything, so we are still continuing. I just wanted to show you even the ceiling. Even this one I don't like it that much, so we will come to draw our own lighting, a better one. I was just showing you how to draw this, but I don't feel it that much, so we will redo and draw something better. But as we continue, so far just wanted to show you like what we've done so far, how it looks. What I mean when I say that I'm going to place a new texture here or place something different here, I just wanted you to see that so far. But we will come back better and do more. So then you can export. So I'm going to export these two because I think I'll use them as a thumbnail for this video so that I can have people clicking and coming to watch, but unfortunately they won't be able to find the previous videos. But all the previous videos to this are on our Patreon. Also, if you are a member to our channel, I'm sure you will see it, but we will make them available maybe after 2 or 3 or 4 months is when we will make them available on YouTube. I mean, from the time of recording this, I'm not sure even the time I'll make this one available on YouTube, but yeah, we shall see. So I'm done and I'm just ending this video. You click on stop, manze, stop.